again, rising like the sunshine, my friend.
Evan and Spencer Burton are the voice and the force behind the reggae band Indubious.
Indubious means being undoubtful and sure of oneself, and our motto is to live indubiously, which means to live without fear and doubt.
So don't fear, so don't hate.
That theory sounds solid, but also lofty, especially when you consider both brothers were born with cystic fibrosis, and a doctor told the family making it to age 18 would be a good life for them.
At the time, was a really grim diagnosis, and for a lot of people it still is. It's a very, very bad disease in a lot of ways. Growing up, we always knew that it was something that we were going to not only overcome, but implement into our lives as part of our path and calling for other people to see and witness.
You focus on the bad, then you're praying to the devil all life.
Evan is now 27 and Spencer 30, so that plan of overcoming the disease going well, but with one big caveat. Evan needed a double lung transplant just 6 months ago.
For the transplant, I don't even know if people really noticed, but just to play on stage was a huge workout. I'd get out of breath within the first 10, 15 minutes, and from then it would just be a strain.
But the surgery changed everything.
But now my lung capacity is just better than I've ever had. I feel amazing. It's really incredible how fast the recovery time is and how incredibly normal and great I feel. It's truly a blessing.
Besides the scars, Evan shows no signs of the recent surgery. He and his brother are back to making music.
We're working on everything. We're working on a new album. We're working on getting a music video going. We're working on tours.
And their music does pay the bills. But as important as the business side of Indubious is, for Evton B and Skip Wicked, it's still about the chance to share lyrics they live by.
My hardest times keep my spirit prime, ready, tempered, and tested as a testament to life.
His goodness, kindness, all of these things are things that we all want and all want to put out. And when people feel it and feel that oneness at our shows and feel the connection with us and the music at our shows, they know what's real.
And so long as they have air in their lungs, the brothers say that musical connection will remain.
That the wickedness will always fade away.